Day one, bike diaries here at the Manx Grand Prix. Absolutely great to be back. We're here and the weather was fantastic, unlike today, which has been cancelled at around about 3 o'clock this afternoon, which is unfortunate for all of us because we've got a lot of work to do with the bikes, considering the first time we've been out on the BHR superbike, which was absolutely brilliant. As you can tell, we're already pushing the limits a fair bit with a 180 mile an hour lap, but unfortunately the fuel pump decided to pack in on us, so we never got a flying lap on the second go. And compared to the other lads that were getting the 3 laps, we've got a lot of scope to build upon that, which is brilliant news. So the lads are flat out on the dyno that you might be able to hear in the background, which is making a lot of money for the Manx Grand Prix club at the moment, which is awesome. So the plans leading into tomorrow's practice, we need to get some laps in on the Yamaha Davies 500 Classic, and we also need to get on the Chapman 250 GP bike, which we're going down at number 1. Cannot wait to get going on that. So like I say, a few things to do, a few things altered, just a bit more nose heavy on the 750, just running a bit wide on the front end, and we can just build on that, a few suspension tweaks, get the ride height up a little bit more on that. The Yamaha, we were having gear problems selecting back down the box, but very simple fix. We're just literally a nut and bolt check on that side of things, and we're good to go on that. And the 250 even, we just need to sing that and make lots of blue haze. Cannot wait to get going. Looking forward to catching up with you later on for the second part of this video, which is day 2, and catch you later on. See you in a bit.